moments that have shaped our identity. Each dance sequence paves the way to open one chapter of the past, wistfully narrating stories of growth, resilience, and enduring spirit that defines our school community. So, sit back, immerse yourselves in the rich exposure of movement and emotion, and travel with us as we cross the milestones and memories that have sculpted the legacy of our school. So, with a lightning speed, let the dance drama commence, taking us on an outstanding and superb journey through 60 years of excellence, passion, and unity. Here, I would like to mention the persons who contributed the time and energy and acted as architects to construct and mold this meaningful dance drama. Initially, the sequence of dance drama and the lyrics were designed with powerful vision by Mr. Stanley Bundy, retired Telugu teacher of LSM. And later, it was musically smeared and the lyrics were shaped up according to the music by Mr. Praveen Dasari, Assistant Professor in English, Andhra Laila College. Choreography of different dance sequences were done by Mr. Venkatarama Sarma and Mr. Ramachandra Murthy, our school dance masters, and Mr. Vinod, choreographer of versatile dances. Mr. Daju, former PET of our school and also a Nirmalite, rendered his support and guidance to uplift the skit part of our drama and added beauty to the final touch. Now, the hour has come. Let us enjoy the performance.
Are you ready?
They are ready.
Meeti nirmala అయిపోయింది. త్వరగా రెడీ అయి బయలుదేరాలి.
అమ్మాయి వసుదా ఉన్నావా?